In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your Gcash account to a PayPal account. So let's jump straight into it. Now, before we get started, there's just a couple of things you're going to need. Of course, first of all, you're going to need a Gcash account, and you'll also need your Gcash MasterCard. Next, what you're going to need is your primary PayPal account, which we'll use to link to your Gcash account. And finally, you're going to need a secondary PayPal account to receive the funds from Gcash via your primary account. So you are allowed to open two PayPal accounts, but one has to be a personal and one has to be like a business or premier. So if you don't want to do that, what you can do is use like a friend's or family member's PayPal account. And with that being said, let's go through the steps on how to transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. So there's quite a few steps, so just make sure you do follow along step by step to learn how to do this. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually log into your primary PayPal account. And you want to click the link a card option here to go ahead and link your Gcash MasterCard. Next, go ahead and enter your card details. Now you want to make sure at this point that the billing address matches the billing address on your Gcash account. So you want to make sure they're both the same. If they're not, what you can do is add a new billing address in PayPal. So make sure that matches the one that's on your Gcash account. Once that's done and you've entered your card details, just go ahead and click the blue link card button at the bottom. And if you've done that successfully, you should get a message saying you have linked your MasterCard prepaid. So just go ahead and click done. Next, what you're going to want to do is send the funds to your secondary PayPal account. So because we've already linked our Gcash card to the primary account, what we can do is log into our primary account, click send, and what you want to do is select your Gcash card as the funding source. So what you want to do once you click send is you want to enter the email of the secondary PayPal account down here and then click next. Once that's done, go ahead and choose the amount you want to send. As you can see, it's in Filipino pesos at the moment, but you can click onto this and change the currency if you want to. PayPal's automatically going to convert the currency for you. So once you've entered the amount, click the continue button underneath. And next, it's going to show your funding sources. So from here, you should see G Exchange Bank, which is the name of the company behind Gcash. So you want to select this one. As you can see, there is a slight fee in this example. So you'll have details of any fees incurred underneath. And once that's done, click the next button. And now what's going to happen, it's going to come up with a quick summary of the transaction. So you can see how much you'll be sending, the PayPal fee, and how much you'll pay in total. So what you want to do is click the send payments now button to finalize this payment and send that to your secondary account. And then you're going to get a confirmation message like this. Now the final step is to just simply transfer the funds back into your primary PayPal account. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your secondary PayPal account and click the send button. After this, what you want to do is just enter the email of the primary PayPal account and click next. And then what you want to do again is put the amounts that you want to send across to your primary PayPal account. You can again change the currency if you want to. And then once you've gone ahead and done that, click the continue button at the bottom. So once again, it's going to give you a quick confirmation of how much is being sent through. As you can see, I've changed this to Filipino pesos just so it sends the exact amount that I want to send through without converting it. So just go ahead and click continue. So on the next screen, it's going to ask to choose a way to send money. So you've got personal or purchase. So what you want to do is make sure personal is selected, because that's going to send it with no fees. That's going to be completely free to send through, and then click continue underneath. Now it's going to ask how do you want to pay. So of course what you're going to want to do is select PayPal balance, because in the previous step we've already sent the funds from our Gcash to this secondary PayPal account. So you want to click onto this and then click next. And again, it's going to come up with the quick summary. So what you want to do is check through all these details, and to finalize the payment, go ahead and click the send payments now button underneath. And then just like that, that's all done. So you can see you're going to get a confirmation saying you sent however much you sent to your primary PayPal account. Now, all you need to do is log back into your primary PayPal account and the funds will be there available for you. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.